if you study law, that is LLB, law degree, then you are required that for you to be admitted as an advocate of the High Court, you must go through Kenya School of Law, which is a diploma course. So for people to understand, because some people might ask that then after degree, then why don't you just practice? You can't practice without going through Kenya School of Law. And that is what over 3,000 students in this country from 2015 up to now have been denied that opportunity. So please listen to our prayers, or we will force you to listen to our prayers. We have our case at the Supreme Court, and we are requesting all the students from 2015 to date who have not joined KSL because of the same problem to avail themselves anytime you are needed at the Supreme Court. Yes, being admitted is very simple. These students at the KCAC level, KSL says that you need to score a B plain and above, Kiswahili or in English. But these students did not score grade B plain and above. But some of them were admitted having scored higher grades in higher subjects, in other subjects. So just because of that, you are being punished. But before you study law, you are required to go and do a diploma course, which they all did. After that, they enrolled in various universities, which they all succeeded and graduated successfully. So you are just being told that because of grade B, then why did they offer other subjects also? Why didn't they just offer English and Kiswahili for those students who wanted to study law?